Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tarot with Aisha. Hope you all are doing well. I'm a tarot reader, numerologist, and a spiritual healer. If you are new to my channel and haven't yet subscribed to it, do it right away and also press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's move ahead to our today's reading, which is going to be based on elemental signs, which would be further categorized under zodiac signs. So let's have a look what we have for the upcoming week. Let's begin with air signs. Air signs are going to be Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. This is going to be a collective reading for all the air signs. So take whatever resonates, and for any kind of personalized readings, you can reach out to me on my Instagram or Facebook pages. Links to these are mentioned in the description. Let's begin with today's reading. अपकमिंग वीक में फॉर एयर साइंस आई कैन सी कि कुछ सेलिब्रेशन है एंड ऑल्सो कुछ समय से जो बहुत चीज़ों में स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे दैट इज़ ऑल्सो गोइंग टू फाइनली गेट सॉर्ट and it is going to bring in some balance in their life or the things are mostly going to be in terms of your relationship, and I see that you are going to feel that you have certainly moved ahead from a very difficult phase of your life, and you would be emotionally stable. You will feel that you are emotionally stable in this week, air signs. So you need to maintain that by doing some meditation or allowing yourself to be in that state of mind, in that state of positivity. Because what I see is air signs for you, हो सकता है कुछ लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा सक्सेस मिलने की वजह से दैट माइट गेट इनटू देयर हेड, हो सकता है वो चीज़ ईगो बन के बीच में आए, ईगो क्लैशेस होने लगे. सो यू नीड टू पे अटेंशन कि whatever success you are achieving, be it your relationship or in your career terms, don't let that get into your head and create an obstacle for yourself by doing so. So you need to be very clear that whatever you have achieved, you need to be grateful for that, but not let the pride come in you. And your focus should definitely be in this week for career is what I see, because I have Ace of Pentacles. This Ace of Pentacles also over here mean to me that कुछ न्यू बिगनिंग्स भी आ सकती है. सो एज आई सेड, कुछ एक हर्डल होगा, सो एक डिफिकल्ट फेज आपका डेफिनेटली कंप्लीट होगा इन दिस वीक इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिलेशनशिप, एंड यू विल मूव अ स्टेप अहेड. पॉजिटिविटी अबंडेंस अट्रैक्ट करोगे बोथ इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिलेशनशिप एज वेल एज इन टर्म्स ऑफ करियर. सो यू नीड टू बी वेरी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक इन दिस वीक. इसी के साथ व्हाट यू नीड टू सी दैट पिछले कुछ हफ्तों से यू वर ओवर थिंकिंग, यू वर स्ट्रगलिंग विद इन योर सेल्फ. पास्ट की कुछ चीज़ों को लेकर you were trying to get clarity, and you had this state of mind in the previous weeks which was a state of confusion. So now is the time that you learn from this confusion and move ahead in your life, because creating such confusion and again thinking about something that has happened in past, or to find an answer why did that particular thing happen, is not going to give you a solution to lead a to create your future. So you need to pay more attention towards your future rather than concentrating on your past is what you need to learn in this week, air signs, and you need to implement this practically in your life. Let's see what guidance we have for you guys. So the guidance we have for you is adjustments are required, energy is gaining momentum, and in terms of relationship, forgive and learn. Let your friends help you. So, to give you a summarized answer, you have been struggling a lot अब तक के लिए. Now you have finally taken a momentum. Your energy is gaining momentum. That is, you are definitely seeing a shift in the energies. So, अभी no matter what, now if you have taken a positive step towards your future, continue with that. और थोड़ा एडजस्ट करके let the pride go off, let the ego clashes go off, and adjust करके चीज़ों में आगे बढ़ो. स्पेसिफिकली अपने रिलेशनशिप में इज़ व्हाट आई सी. Forgive and learn is also again in terms of your relationship. If something was bothering to you from the past, release that, forgive the person, and just move ahead. And if you find that you're facing difficulty to deal with the situations, go and have a word with your friends, your family members, or someone who is really close to you, whom you can express your feelings to, so that the other person might help you ease the burden of whatever you are going through, and things would be easier for you. So this is the guidance for the air signs. Do let me know air signs in the comment section if you could resonate with the readings for this week. Until we meet next time, stay safe.